Pocket Folders Fast is one division of a broader group of companies, basically. And that means that here we do commercial printing regionally, which commercial printing means anything. We print anything, we'll do anything, all the way to the specific niche of pocket folders and even more specifically short-run digital packaging.
Well, Wright Printing is the umbrella company, so to speak, started in 1927 by my grandfather. I got out of the business for about a month and a half and came back in under the name Barnhart Press to buy an existing commercial printer as a basis for starting our presentation folder company and soon to be our folding carton company.
I'm fortunate to be fourth generation printer. When I started working in the business, I was in my early 20s and I started in customer service. I love dealing with people from around the country. I love talking to them about print. I love fixing problems. We have an incredible team of people who love nothing more than to impress the customer. The J-Press was purely a customer-driven investment because we listen to what the customers need, speed and short runs and high quality, and this was the answer.
Uptime is fantastic. J-Press uptime has been something to the effect of 99.8 uptime. The color quality and consistency is second to none. We can run a job today and then another job tomorrow and then that same job 3 months from now, and it will be the exact same color as it was when we first ran it. Sheet to sheet, job to job, consistency is unbelievable.
The J-Press allows us to do two things to stand out from the crowd that jump into my mind first. One is, of course, the short-run capability. In my opinion, from 0 to 2,000 copies, I own the world. The other thing it does is the variable print aspect. We're running a lot of different SKUs of the same size package, and we can run them in order without any stop, without any change, and they come out perfect every time. And in packaging, that's a great savings. The fact that you can start it out with the first sheet means you have no waste, and that's a huge savings, particularly on the shorter runs. 5 years ago had about a 1,200 sheet average run length. Now we're down to 597. And that's primarily in our presentation folder market, but it's going to continue to happen. I mean, we're constantly running folders now in the level of 100 and 250 daily. And it's worked well for us because no plates, no waste. Gotta love it. In the past, we'd have to run one in front of the other and try to match them on offset. Here, I can run them simultaneously on two different machines and get the exact same results. We felt that the J-Press would be the exact machine we needed because of the ability to do 5,000 sheet runs and less at a very low cost point.
With two J-Presses, we're actually in a very unique situation. I can split a very long run job between both presses and have the same color consistency and quality off of both presses. Jobs come off completely dry, ready to run, so we're not waiting for those jobs to sit and dry or cure before we're finishing them, allowing 24-hour production. You could run 50 jobs in a shift. I mean, easily with two presses, power through 30, 40 jobs in a shift, easily.
This December, we're launching our website that's called Boxes in a Click, and it's intended for short-run folding cartons. It allows us to take directly from the web short-run folding cartons and move them directly to the J-Press. We've had the website in our pocket for several years, but it just didn't work on offset. And I don't think it would have been possible without the J-Press. By being able to go directly from the website to the J-Press, it's going to just cut our costs significantly, make our turnaround time faster, and hopefully make it a perfect world for cartons for everybody.
So since we deal with printers from around the country and we don't have an opportunity always to meet them face-to-face, our best opportunity meeting them face-to-face is at conventions. And that's where we've really used the J-Press technology and the variable data to show people what this capability is and to really get their own ideas pumping on what they can offer their customers. Now people walk by at a convention and say, "What's your minimum?" And I say, "What's a minimum? What do you want?" And that's been a really exciting uptick in the way we can service our customers. There's nothing anybody in this plant would say they wouldn't do to make sure the customer gets what they need. That's what we're built on.
And obviously, Fuji's found the solution with the J-Press. It just hits it right every time. I'm often asked how the J-Presses have transformed my business, and I guess that it's hard for me to answer that because they didn't transform my business. It's the reason I got back into the business.